Hi you guys, welcome back. This is Shaded by Beauty and my name is Cheyenne. Where this channel, beauty comes from within and out and in any size, shape, and color and form. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a review on the Amrezy eyeshadow palette. You guys have had this eyeshadow palette for about a week, but I have not used it yet. This is her third collaboration that she has done with this company. The first one was an eyeshadow palette. The second one was with a highlighter. And the third one is with another eyeshadow palette. So I'm pretty excited about that. Now, by watching this video, you will be able to tell whether or not is it really worth buying this eyeshadow palette. You know, we have a lot of people that are friends with her and everything like that. So, you know, you want to see, should I spend my coin on this? Well, you tell me what you think, what you're gonna do with the eyeshadow palette, okay? So I really like the way that this looks. It's so pretty. It's a lot longer than the other eyeshadow palettes. As you can see, they came up with more colors. So they came up with 2 more colors, and all of their eyeshadow palettes are pretty much like the same size, okay? I have other eyeshadow palettes like the Soft Glam as well and some other one, but those are the 2 that I just wanted to go ahead and compare. So these are all the colors. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's get straight to it, to the video. So I've already applied my foundation under my eyebrows. And okay, so I know that right here looks super bright because it is bright. I was trying to go to the store and buy the original shade that I normally like to get with Tarte Shape tape, but they didn't have it. And the girl was like, we have medium tan sand. I was like, and from the original color that I normally use, it's like 3 shades lighter. She's like, you can work it out, you can work it out. So we're gonna see. I know it's bright, so you don't need to tell me. Okay, so I have no idea what kind of look we're gonna do today. So we're just gonna dive in. Let's just go for it. All right, I'm using my blending brush. This is a Donut Lace brush right here in the number 863. And no, it's not like completely clean, so don't judge. All right, let's see. I don't know what to do, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go into New Yorker. All right, New Yorker right here as a transition excuse me, shade. And I'm gonna bring you guys in closer. Now it's focused. Ooh, up close and personal. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my crease. Well, all right. I know you guys can probably see that. So I probably put a little much on there. Reezy. Yeah, I'm gonna use Reezy first. And I'm gonna use the brush in MAC, the 252 in Reezy. Okay, and I'm gonna put this on my lid. There you go. I got a little bit of fallout and whatnot, but it's okay. I don't care about that kind of stuff. Some people do, but I don't. Okay, I'm gonna use it on half my lid. Just half. I'm going to use Liddy and put that on the outer corner. Oop. Let me do that. So I'm gonna be using a different brush. I'm using this Sanaya Kashuk brush. I believe you can get it from Target or something. Go back into Liddy right here. But I do remember her saying that she likes to get the glitter and then wet the brush. So I'm gonna do that. And I guess let's just have it on there. So yeah, I have a bit of fallout. I'm not really digging into the eyeshadow palette either, but this is glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into my other tone, the New Yorker, and I'm just gonna kind of smooth it out some. The brush by Morphe, the M43 whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you the M433 brush. This brush right here, probably Yugo. Yugo is a very, very dark, like purplish brown color. I swear. Just blend it out. back with a little bit more glitter. It's like covered it like a dum-dum. Okay. Let's go ahead and wipe away all this other glitter. Now I'm gonna use Barb in my inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna be using the E36 by Morphe brush. It looks like this. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to be going into Barb right here. And I'm going to be using the brush by Morphe. It's the M213. And I'm going to go ahead and go on like the under eye. I'm going to go ahead and use New Yorker because I like to kind of start off with the transitions first. Whoa, you see that? Okay, like so. And then I'm gonna go back into Yugo. And these colors are super pigmented. Like, I'm sure if I were to use the black one, definitely probably want to go light with it. So more right here. There you go, New Yorker. I want the pink to be darker. Like I'm gonna want it to show up a little bit more. I'm gonna put some more color on. Yeah, that looks better. It showed up a lot better. Make it crazy with it, you know, you can always add in like a pop of color. You can do Leo on the waterline or like Shemsa. I am going to go ahead and finish up the other side and then I will be back. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and finished up the other side of my eye and I put on some lashes. The lashes that I used is the Kylash. There you go. So with these lashes, they're again from official SBY off of Instagram. I don't have a code or anything like that, but I like these lashes because the band on it is super thin, so I really like that a lot. So let's go ahead and finish up the look for today. Okay, so I'm gonna go. So what do you guys think of the look so far? Do you like the eyeshadow? I think I like it, but let's go ahead and finish the rest of our face, even though it's all about that eyeshadow palette, but that's fine. I'm gonna be using the color Chestnut in Anastasia, and I know the last time I used this, it looked orange, but since I'm all off in all of my color ranges, then I guess I'll just go ahead and be off in everything and then fix it. Maybe it's like the lighting or something. I don't know. But I'm using the brush by Sephora. It's called Expensive as Heck. Just kidding. It's number 97. It's the Pro Contour Sweep brush. You go like that. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Thick, the cream. And then put it on my face. This is like a lighter color. I like it because it gives it just like a subtle like look. Just very subtle. And blend all of that out. I'm gonna put it all in my hairline. And I like to pull it back. Pull it all back. Up like underneath the sides. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent. And then I'm gonna be using my Dose of Colors sponge. I'm trying to dip it in here. And I'm just gonna go along this way. Okay. And what I also like to do is kind of scoop it. Because when you scoop it, it's kind of like it lifts it more than just like straight down like that. I like for it to look like, oh, you know, a little bit more cheekbone. So I need a little bit. That's just what I like to do. Okay. Scoop it, let it sit for a little bit. going to go ahead and use my, I guess, like my holy grail, Tarte and Hotel hairs. You guys tell me the right way to pronounce it so I can pronounce it the right way. I'm gonna be using my Morphe M527 brush, and I'm just gonna go over where the cream was at. All right, that's that. Let's put on some blush. I'm gonna be using the Kylie blush. It's in the name of Rosie. Okay. To really show up. Okay. Alrighty, and then I'm gonna go under my eyes since it's already so bright. It needs to be brighter. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever powder, and then there you go, 128 Makeup Forever. Okay. Good. All right, let's put on a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Morphe brush in M510, and they don't sell this anymore, sorry, but obviously you can use whatever highlight you want. I'm gonna be using this one with the Jaclyn Hill and Becca palette. And the two colors, I think they should sell them like separately, but it's Champagne Pop and Prosecco Pop. And normally I just kind of mix the two because I like both of the colors, so we're just gonna mix it a little bit. It's just still so good, like still good. All right, I'm gonna do a little bit on my nose, just a little bit, not too much. We don't need to be looking shiny everywhere, okay? That's not the business. All right, so let's go ahead and brush away all of this dust. Well, not dust, loose setting powder, dust, like dirty. In my color with Makeup Forever 170, I'm gonna be using the same brush that I used to wipe away the loose setting powder. It's the Morphe E1. And I'm just gonna dab it on there. And last but not least, and also, like I said, I put my lashes on, I put a little bit of mascara on there. I'm gonna be using Nude 2 by KKW Beauty. I'm not gonna be doing like a crazy lip. Not crazy, but like a real dark or real bright lip. And then I'm gonna be using the color Just Because by Does the Colors. You can see my son walking in the back. He loves to like stalk and see what I'm doing. I'll be putting on some of Morphe's Continuing Setting Mist. This is the finished look with the Amrezy palette. I love this palette, you guys. Honestly, I love Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palettes. I own a pretty good bit of them. I said these are the colors right here. And you know what I'll go ahead and do, instead of putting in pictures, I'm gonna go ahead and do a live swatch right now. Okay, so here's the Reezy, Anastasia, New Yorker, and the OG. And we've already seen the quality of some of the eyeshadows from the tutorial. Doing Shensa, 1988, BK, and Hugo. And all of these are the bottom row of the eyeshadow palette. Wasted, Barb. I'm gonna skip Liddy because it is a glitter and it's not gonna swatch pretty. We're gonna do Cupcake, and we're going to do Dragon. And my nails, ooh. It looks like I've been like, I dug my finger into it, but I really didn't. I'll be doing Leo. I'm not gonna do Gemini because Gemini is another one of those where it's like a glitter, okay? And then we have Gorgina. These two right here. Super cute. So is it worth it? Heck yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it. I'm happy with my purchase. I've done, you know, some other purchases that, you know, I'm not really so happy with. But this right here is definitely a go-getter. I believe this retails for $49. You can get this off the website from Anastasia in Beverly Hills. And there are other websites that you can get it from as well. I will be sure to link down in the description box below where you can get this eyeshadow palette. I definitely think you should get it. I know a lot of people are saying like, oh, like if you cover up the bright colors, it's basically the same thing as the other one. Who cares? I don't care. You know why? Because that way I don't have to keep digging into that other eyeshadow palette for those neutral colors, because this one has more colors. That's just my way of thinking. I just love makeup in general, so I don't need to be buying any, but I love it. So yep, you guys, definitely get your hands on that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. And also click the bell beside the subscribe button to notify you every time that I upload a video. My subscribers, be sure to keep up with me, okay? Stay strong with me. Stay strong. Okay, we got this. All right, I beat my 3rd video of the year, so I'm super proud that I, you know, beat that threshold, because I did skip a week and then I posted a video that was like 7 minutes long. So yeah, that's it. You guys let me know what you think. And until then, I will see you next time.
Perfect.